In order to speed up your workflow inside of Microsoft Edge, what you can do is you can utilize keyboard shortcuts. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the three dot button over here, and then you can go to settings. So once you go around onto settings, over here on the left hand side on the accessibility section right here, you will be able to see keyboard over here. And over here you can see that learn about keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Edge is an option. So once you go around over here, you see the list of different keyboard shortcuts that you can utilize over here. For example, you can see that Control T opens up a new tab. So let's say, for example, if I were to press Control T on my keyboard, you can see that it opens up new tab right here. Similarly, over here you can see that I can go around and utilize Control R right here to reload the current page. So let me just press Control R, and you can see that it refreshes the current page right here. And you can see that there are many similar keyboard shortcuts just like this. Like you can see that Control Shift E opens everything in the sidebar, as you can see right here, and it opens it up in the sidebar right here. So you can go around over here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you can select the URL in the address bar to edit. That's Alt D, and then what happens is that it highlights the URL over there just like that. And by utilizing shortcut keys like this, you can speed up your workflow on navigating by using Microsoft Edge browser. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.